Hello, this is Melissa Peterson with Melissa Peterson Designs. I'm going to show you how to make proofs in Silhouette so you can share them with your customers or potential clients before starting any projects. Here I already have a design laid out. This is one of the ones I've already done, and I normally do the background with similar colors that we plan on doing the sign in, and I just keep it simple, and I try and get the colors close to match as I can. For this particular sign, we did a blended brown background, so I can't really do that on the computer, but I'm going to get as close as I can here. I'll center it, and with my Mac, I hit Shift Command 4 and take a screenshot of this area. And then I will send it to my client by Facebook Messenger, email, or even text messages. Now I'm going to show you, after I get this, I guess, back to white, how I use stock photos that I have and lay this design over a stock photo to make it a little bit more fancier. Here is a fall seasoned one, there we go, that I'll use as a demonstration. Okay, watch how I bring that design forward. There we go. Excuse me. The white background is camouflaging my lettering, so I'll have to change that just to show you how the design looks on the proof once I get it fitted in. Usually I can make a mistake in here with something I've done in Silhouette. You can hit the edit and undo, but when you move the stock photo, for some reason it wouldn't go back, so I just had to manually put it back. Now I'm just doing this part so you can see the other part of the design. There we go. Time for a screenshot. And on the PC, I don't know if I've ever said this or not, it's Command Print Screen or Screen Print, I believe, to take a screenshot. And that will be on my desktop when I am ready for it. Now I'm going to grab another proof or another stock photo to make a proof, just to show you again. You can even do these on t-shirts, mugs, any stock photo that basically has a blank area. I even have some of blank walls next to it, like a barn door, where I could add a frame, a stock frame, and then put my design in it. There's lots of possibilities out there, and I get mine from other sellers on Etsy, Creative Market, and I also take my own. And I sell some of my own also at Midwest Market Studio on Etsy. I have some seasonal ones, and I also have some regular everyday ones. And I plan to add more. And here I'm taking a screenshot. And I'll show you all three. And this one right here, the one with the plain brown background, is usually my preferred method. when I make personalized signs and I'm sending them for approval. Any questions, let me know. My web address is melissapetersondesigns.com. I have a free MPD library, so if you join our group, you'll get access to some free mock-ups if you sign up. Any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching.